I was really worried about mixing sheens before I started mixing all my paint together. So I Googled it and apparently it mixes just fine. The problem will be if I ever wanted to try to match that paint because it's my own custom sheen, because I did mix sheens. I know, I did it. Everyone is so concerned about me color matching paint, but let me tell you what I have learned after having to repaint things several times over several years is the fact that even if you get the exact color paint that you had painted it 3 or 4 years earlier, the sun has changed the color and it doesn't actually match. So I have learned to just understand that if I'm gonna have to touch up, I'm gonna have to paint a whole wall. And if that's the case, I can just get a close enough match, and as long as you go from corner to corner, you won't notice, I promise. And on top of that, I will probably have 2.5 gallons left after I've painted everything I need to paint, so I'll have plenty left over to do touch-ups if it gets dirty or damaged in between the time that we leave and when we come back.